Hi, now that the Python installation is done, I'm assuming that everybody has a good understanding on how to install Python and you must have already installed by now. In case not, as you already know, you can use Colab and I will recommend you to use Colab so that there is no issues, because in the future when you start working on Python, there could be bugs, there could be errors, and as you are putting your first step into programming, for you to debug these issues, find the exact problems, it will be time taking. So better go for Google Colab. Now, as part of this course, if you go to the course resources, I have already provided all the Python notebooks. So the Python notebooks will look like this, and all of them will be a IPYNB format. Okay. Now, before getting into Python, let me just tell you that there are majorly two types of files. One is .py and one is .ipynb. Okay. Now, IPYNB files are nothing but Jupyter notebooks, right? They're also called as interactive Python notebooks, and this is what we will be using. Now, how to get started with it? First, what you can do is go to Google Colab, go to File, create a new notebook. Here, what you can do is, while the classes are going on, let's say I'm talking about keywords or some data structures, you can follow what I'm telling right now and then code it by yourself, right? To execute each code and go to the next line, you just have to use shift enter. So for example, a equals to 5, print a, and then press shift enter to execute that line and go to the next line. In case between these two codes you want to write a text, so what you can do is click on the upper code, click on plus text, and here a text box will open, and let's say write down first few codes in Python, enter. So this is a text block that you have written down, and you can also format it, make it bold, make it italic, whatever you want to make, you can make it. Okay, that is one part. Second part is, as the files are already provided to you, how would you see what is inside this file? What you can do is directly go to file and try to upload a notebook. Okay, upload a notebook. Here you can browse, go to the downloaded folder, and let's say you are using this file tuples, so just upload it and you can see your tuples are created. So taking this as a reference, you can always create a new notebook, and then you can toggle around. Oh, tuples, sir is teaching tuples. Okay, so let's say I will run this also. Okay, list A is created, and then sir is executing this one. What is this? Okay, here after this code is run, oh, it's showing 4. That means the length of this list is 4, and this is how you need to practice along with me. Apart from that, in your journey there could be certain scenarios where you might face difficulties, might face issues. You can always reach out to us. Also, what you can do is you can go to ChatGPT and try to ask some questions if there is an error. For example, okay, maybe I'll try to talk about how to debug errors without my interference in the next video, and then we will jump into the course.